Hey guys, how you doing? It's Tim. Today I'm going to work with just some black and white. Okay, I'm going to mess with this. This is another one of those tile boards I've been painting on a lot. I'm going to just do a black and white experimental pour here. So what we're going to use today, I'm going to use a scooper. We're just going to fill up the paint in there, and then we're just going to pour it on out. So let's get going. I've got a good consistency again, just pretty much what I mix. I got a now down below my videos, you will see that there is a place. It'll have extra videos down there, how to mix paints, other projects I've done. Then I've also got a links to my Amazon, to where you can purchase the same kind of stuff that I use in my videos. Paints. Just go look at the list there, and you'll see it. It'll give you an opportunity to use the same stuff. So, well, I guess I do need to kind of probably no. All right, here we go. You see that, folks? Just gonna stack it in here. And I'm just gonna go black, white, black, white, black, white, black, white. Okay. Then other black and whites. I've done some really, really, really big ones. So this one here will be the smallest of them that I've done. I really like using black and whites. I think you can get some really cool patterns out of it. So, the majority of the time when I do black and whites, my white usually washes out my black. So we'll see what happens with this one. You still see that? Good. And I mean, you can put in a lot, you can put in a little, you just gotta layer it, let it come together itself. Have a problem with, whoop, we don't want to do that. Feet today, things are in my way. Boom, boom, right? Okay, it told me for a 12 by 12 slate that I would only need about 5 ounces of paint. Okay. So what I did is I put, I loaded these up and I put 4 ounces of paint on each one. In each one of my black and in my white. So I'm working with like 8 ounces, even though it told me I only need 4. Oh, I gotta do something else with my, whoop, can't do that. Okay, here we go. I think we're at our limit. All right. Cover that edge. There we go. It's not too bad. It's got kind of a cool pattern to it. But I need to make one that's black. That's all right. Here, since we don't really see what it does. Okay. What this is. And that one over there. A little bit there we need to cover. Okay. This was kind of interesting. It's beautiful though. Cool pattern. I need to do something like this with a bunch of colors. Okay, I'll bring you in for a close-up here real quick. Okay, here we go. A quick look at this. It's pretty. All right. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Share this video with anybody you know that likes to do this kind of stuff or might just want to see some beautiful paintings. All right, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. God bless.